What is VINKA? Well, it's literally what it sounds like. Wine vodka is what we mean. Essentially, this product is technically a wine product which has been cold filtered and also fortified up to 22% alcohol. But it is actually wine, but when you taste it, it tastes, much closer to vodka than it does wine. The other beautiful thing about that is wine in Australia is in a highly favorable tax class. So you're getting these products for much better value than what you would buying something like vodka or other spirits or even beer for that matter. The other nice thing about this product is it's 100% made from Australian grapes, so you're helping Australian growers, and it's also got a very low carbon footprint. So not only you're helping the planet, but you're also getting great value for yourself. Now these products are sold in several different sweetnesses, both in the 5-litre bladder size, but we've also got these 250ml sachets, which are fantastic for just giving the product a try. Now these products are sold on the website and are great building blocks for various different beverages, irrespective if you want to make a cocktail or if you want to make a whole keg of alcoholic beverage. Now we've been doing R&D on this product for over 12 months now. As you can see, it's crystal clear, and when you smell and taste the product, it has an ever so slight hint of fruitiness. That fruitiness really does complement a lot of the beverages we have developed over the past 12 months. Now, unlike wine, I should also say this product doesn't have the high sulfur levels of wine. Now, if you've drunken, some other cheap wine and notice that you get a sulfur hangover, it's really not an issue with this product. The reason why we don't put those high sulfur levels is because our filtration process has taken a lot of that stuff out of it, which oxidizes. Now this product doesn't have any risk of oxidation, so you can put it in an open container for weeks and it will not be an issue. So treat it more like you would treat vodka in that respect. Because this is such a versatile building block for many different beverages, you can make anything, literally from ginger beer or cider, or something like gin and tonic or scotch and coke. Either way, the range of different sweetnesses we have here will suit a range of different beverages, which is why on the website we're building a whole lot of recipes under our ready to keg range, or if you want to try them in amongst our cocktails, we have a number of cocktail kits that you can also get using the VINKA products. Now, if you just wanted to dip your toe in the water, you can try one of these cocktail kits where we've got, for instance, an espresso martini, getting some of the VINKA base and VINKA mixer, mix them together, and you'll have one of the best espresso martinis you'll ever have. The other thing you could do is try one of our 5-litre bladders in our ready to keg kit. So they're RTKs and they're ready to keg because you literally pour them in the keg, get one of your Impressence Essences or try the new Impressence Flavour Shots, pour them in the keg, and you can carbonate that keg and be drinking your product within 5 minutes. No fermentation needed. How easy is that? Anyway, if you want to hear about all the other new recipes that are coming out, bottom right hand corner, hit subscribe now so you get notified when all those new recipes come out. Make sure to hit that bell notification button as well. The other thing you can do is jump on our Facebook Homebrew community group and share tips and tricks on how to use all this cool stuff that we're coming out with. Anyway, that's it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.